Get to making with jive or fish when it hits you, yes.
Good afternoon, Bougie Duchess coming straight from the kitchen, and woo-wee, is it hot in LA today. Vegetarian pho dish for lunch. It was going to have some imitation crab meat in it, but I wasn't quite sure how long I've had that imitation crab meat in the refrigerator, and I'm going to tell you something about fish. Fish, company, and men all go bad in 3 days. You should never keep that stuff around longer than 3 days, and I wasn't quite sure, so I threw that stuff down the garbage disposal, and it's gone. So, but the pho doesn't need anything else. It's got plenty of vegetables. It's packed with flavor. It's going to be delicious, so look out for that recipe as it... Bring to a full boil some kale, seaweed, and sliced carrots. Then get ready to throw in some onions and scallions. Now I've thrown in some onions, scallions, leeks, mushrooms, celery, and I start to stir that just a little bit. Oh, keep the camera. Focus, focus, focus. Gotta focus. Oh, and look at the delicious broth that is making. What a delicious pho I'm going to be making. Of course, a tablespoon of the Mazola caldo de tomate. I swear by it. I kind of eyeball it. I throw that in there. I stir that around into the stock. Ooh, that gives it some flavor. There we go. Yummy. Getting ready to throw the noodles in. Alrighty, here we go. I throw in the top ramen. Throw in the little crumbs that are left. I will add the seasoning packet just a little bit later. I kind of push that down so it starts to get soaking wet. What an excellent lunch this is going to be. Hearty, full of vegetables. You pick your protein. I'm going to use imitation crab meat. I'm a seafood loving kind of gal. But you can use anything that you want. Pork, beef, chicken, turkey, or just leave it vegetables. It tastes just as delicious. Yummy. So I was trying to remember something about the seafood, the crab meat, the imitation crab meat that I had in the refrigerator, and I was trying to remember how long it's been in there. And I'm not sure, and I'm kind of skeptical. So I have a rule. Fishmen and company all go bad after 3 days. So this is just going to be my vegan pho for this meal. So absolutely without a protein. See there? Nothing in the bottom of the bowl. But ordinarily I would put the protein right in there in the bottom of the bowl. And then I would put the pho in on top of it. All kinds of flavor. And you could throw anything in here. You could throw in some shrimp. You could throw in beef, chicken, pork, whatever it is that you like. So I'm getting ready to taste it. If I fall over, somebody dial 911. Send them here to the rescue, okay? Oh my goodness. That is delicious. So look out for the recipe. It'll be coming up soon. I love all of my little duchies. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Bye now.